So this is our Newmarket headquarters. This is where most of the operations happen. So let's come inside. If you follow me, just in here is one of our planning rooms. We usually have a full house. This is where we plan multiple of our contracts. We have visual displays just so we know where all the engineers are, location and job-wise. And through here is a contact centre. So this is recent this year. And as you can see, our planners are busy contacting customers. Just through here is our warehouse utility centre. We have a lot of consumables in our racking. And just through here is where we station all of our engineers in preparation for when they are inducted. Our staff has kindly arranged all of the tools and equipment that the engineers need in a nice pile so that when they arrive for their induction, they're ready to go and pack up their vans. We make sure they've got all their PPE. Everything is labelled, everything is approved, and everything is registered. So in here is our planning and operations room. We also have some hot desks as well for emergency dispatch. And we also have visual displays on our screens once again, just to emphasise where the engineers are and where we need to assign work to. So we are just about to walk into the warehouse. We've got a couple of these on our site. This one has a majority of our stock where our warehouse and logistics managers work. So this is where they do all of their operations on their desktops. They're very busy managing stock and warehouse and capabilities of how full they need to keep them. Through here is where all the stock is. This is split up into different contracts. So we have one contract in this section, another contract in this section, and we have David at the moment organising work for another contract to dispatch engineers out in the field. So we're going to walk into another warehouse, but this has also been converted into a training and assessment centre for all of our engineers that we dispatch out to the field. So in here is our electrical training centre. As you can see, there's quite a different variety of electrical installations that the engineer can test their skills on. The engineers get audited on them as well and are given a PTO, a Passport to Operate certificate, prior to leaving their inductions. As you can see, there's a large TV in here for us to do our induction presentations. And behind that TV, we have a three-phase module, which is an additional skill that the engineers can test themselves on and qualify for. So through here in this part of the warehouse, we have our much larger meters and consumables, and these are for our industrial and commercial contracts that we are currently working on.